Hey foodies, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my Gadget Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make chicken Caesar salad with homemade dressing, and I'm using my Ninja Foodi. Let's get started with the seasonings. I'm using pepper, adobo, and complete seasoning. You want to season your chicken on both sides. I have 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. I'm also spraying the chicken with some olive oil. This will add flavor, help the seasonings to stick, and help with browning later. Using the Ninja's pressure lid, I'm setting it to seal, and I'm going to cook on high pressure for 12 minutes, followed by a quick release. So while the chicken is cooking, let's go ahead and work on the dressing. So I've got some Parmesan cheese and I'm adding that to my mini chopper. I will have the list of ingredients and the measurements down below in the description box. So once I finished chopping up the Parmesan cheese, I added in the juice of 1 lemon. Then I added in 4 cloves of garlic, followed by some Worcestershire sauce and some Dijon mustard and some anchovy paste. Now, don't turn your nose up. Use the anchovy paste. I promise you, it's delicious. So now I'm adding in some salt and pepper, and then finally some buttermilk. Now we're going to go ahead and blend all the ingredients until they're nice and smooth. And then next we're going to slowly add in some olive oil. Once all of the olive oil has been added in, you're done. Your dressing is ready. It's super easy and it's delicious. It's a big hit with my family. All right, back to the chicken. Here's what it's looking like. It's fine using it just like this, but I want a little color. So I'm going to use the air crisp lid and I'm going to broil the chicken until it's nice and brown. And once your chicken is ready to go ahead and slice it up. Now all you need to do is chop and thoroughly wash some Romaine Hearts. And now it's time to plate it up. Lettuce, Parmesan cheese, croutons, chicken, that delicious dressing, and your dinner is ready to go. Not only is it delicious, but it's healthy too. Perfect meal for the summertime. So if you like this video recipe, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. I appreciate it and it helps my channel. And if you're here and you haven't subscribed yet, first of all, why not? Second of all, go ahead and tap that button and click that bell so you know when I upload again. As always, thanks so much for watching, and remember, get out of that drive-thru and get into the kitchen. Bye!